what we see a lot of is young men, or actually, young boys, under the age, usually about under the age of 16, taking pictures of themselves and then posting them. So we see a lot of that. In one particular case, we had over 110 tips with the same individual posting himself online. So portraits that are sexually exploited by children are usually done if they're just doing it themselves, just because they, for some reason, want to put that out there. It's usually done by boys. And then the girls, usually, if it involves some type of relationship. Not in every case, though. We've had cases where girls take pictures of themselves as well, and they put it out there. But usually, when we find pictures on one of those other social networking sites, the girl was asked to take a picture by a boyfriend, or she offered to take a picture of herself to send to her boyfriend, and then that boyfriend or friend posted it. Last month alone, we had 40 tips, and out of those 40 tips, about at least half of them involved children actually just taking pictures of themselves and then posting it, and mainly boys.